But do you need to be safe in the markets at the moment? Is it getting very toppish? That's the question that we have been asking for a while. And to answer that, we have Nooresh Merani and Kunal Bothra joining us. Nooresh, let me begin by asking you that question. It's the day of the monthly expiry. Is it time to get a bit more cautious on the market after the heady run? Or do you expect it to now head to 26,500?
So as of now, we've just gone up 500 to 700 points above the previous all-time high. So it's not a meaningful move, given that that's like a 2% move. So overall, the fact that it has slowly and steadily gone up is the problem. It's not seen very large moves on a single day as such. We keep seeing very tighter range, but the trend is still positive. We are not in the overbought zone in a major way as such. So the viewers keep trailing your stop losses. Now that shifts to closer to 25,600 to 25,700 mark. So the bias remains positive. We've had a fresh new high on the Bank Nifty, and we are getting close to previous major resistances for some of the large cap names. So overall, the structure is positive. Continue to ride on to the move.
Right. Okay. Kunal, hi, morning. What is this GIFT Nifty options contracts telling you? Worth about almost $21 billion. I mean, contracts of about almost 4 lakh.
So I think that tells you the kind of optimism which is there in the markets. I would not say it's euphoric, because we are still into that zone where portfolios are underperforming, few sectors are underperforming, and the beta is shifting on a very regular basis. So when you have classic sector rotation, we generally don't feel the euphoric intent of the market. I think that could be one of the reasons why we've seen the index scaling up on a gradual basis over the last few days and weeks. In fact, for this is the 10th consecutive day yesterday which we saw the Bank Nifty making a higher low, which means it's trying to protect or take support of its previous support points, previous lows, for itself. So that's, I think, a very strong sign that the trend is intact. Even after intraday underperformances or mild bit of volatility which comes by, and I think 4 or 5 consecutive days for the Nifty. So I think on the back of this, the strong sector churn, the kind of moves which you're seeing in individual large cap names, the breakout moves into many large cap stocks, all of that indicates that this trend is here to sustain. My sense is that now I think slowly and steadily we should be gradually heading towards the 26,500 plus mark. So which means we could be looking at least another 500 to 700 points rally for the Nifty over the very near term.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.